Tonight, the CDC is warning about a deadly fungus spreading across the country at an alarming rate. The number of infections have tripled over the last 3 years. Only a handful of states have more cases than Illinois, which has reported nearly 300 over the past 12 months. It's mostly seen in nursing homes. And as CBS 2's Chris Ty tells us, some medical shortcuts taken during COVID may have fueled the spread. Chris.
Erica, some strains of this are being called a superbug. It can infect wounds, ears, even the bloodstream. And for some patients, medication isn't working to fight it off. As America's doctors threw everything they had at stopping COVID, something else began to quietly spike.
I am concerned about it. I am concerned that it got worse during the pandemic.
It's called Candida auris, a drug-resistant fungus causing outbreaks in healthcare facilities that can result in deadly infections of the bloodstream or heart valve. Tuesday, the CDC says it spread at an alarming rate in U.S. healthcare facilities in 2020 and 2021. CBS 2 is tracking it. In 2016, Illinois had just 6 cases, Indiana none. Over the last 12 months, it's ballooned to 276 cases in Illinois, 87 in Indiana, and more than half of the states seeing cases. It's tricky to detect, experts say, spreading by unwashed hands or medical equipment. It spiked during COVID, not an accident, says the director of infectious diseases at Rush.
With COVID, when we were so short, sometimes somebody might wear a gown from patient to patient, and then if that gown was contaminated, it's possible that that might have allowed some transmission. So again, these were like when we were really in crisis early on.
Nursing homes seeing the most cases. If your loved one is in one, she says, ask some tough questions.
Have you had any patients with Candida auris in this nursing home? And if you have, what are the measures that you're taking to try to prevent other patients from getting it?
A little history here. The first case ever was in Japan back in 2009. The first case in this country was in 2013, but not formally detected until 2016. Live in the control room, Chris Ty, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Chris, thank you.